Alright guys, it's your boy Chris here. So the Microsoft Surface Book 3 just arrived. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this sucker up. So the model that I got was the 15-inch model, Windows 10, but I'm gonna upgrade it to Windows 11. Down here, got the specs: 10th gen Intel Core i7 processor, 512 gigabytes of storage, 32 gigs of RAM, and this has the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti with 16 gigs of GPU in it. It's the regular platinum color. So yeah, let me go ahead and open this up real quick. Alright, gonna use my handy dandy keys to open the box. Alright, see if I can open this with one hand. Alright, got it down the side. Alright, got it out the plastic. Wasn't easy with one hand. You know, you gotta lift it at the top. Oh, yeah, this looks nice. Yeah, this looks real nice. Look, it's cold to the touch. You can feel it because it's cold outside. Here it is. You want to go ahead and open the plastic. Lift this. See it? Yeah. So let me close it. Let's see what you get. So you get the 2 USB ports, an SD card slot. This is the nice beautiful hinge area, and then on this side you get the USB-C, and then you get the charging cable. Now I've heard you can actually charge this computer with the USB-C, so that's pretty cool too as well. You also have the headphone jack here. Now remember, this is actually also a tablet. So when I go ahead and open it up and turn everything on, this can detach from the rest of the computer. But yeah, that's cool too as well. Let's open this bad boy. So what I have planned, so let me go ahead and I'm going to show you all my setup. Yeah, so what I have planned here for right now, well, this is the legit actual plan. So here's where I'm going to do all my art. This is like the Mac area. I have my digital drawing tablet here. On this side, this is where I'm going to do all of my school stuff, so like WGU, cybersecurity stuff. Everything is going to be on this laptop. This can do art too as well, so hey, I could do that too if I want to go. And what's great is this is also a tablet, so I can take this and use it as a tablet. They do have pencils, those little stylus, so I can use that and do what I need to do on there. The keyboard I'm going to use too, it's going to be this. I'm going to find if I can get a dongle like this, but with 2 HDMI's, because I would like to use another screen. So right now it's going to be using this one, but I would like to use just a second screen with it. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so I got the charger, got it plugged in, and I believe it should just clip on. Yep, there we go, boom. So it just immediately turns on. And yeah, you know, nice keyboard. It's a really nice keyboard. You know, the mouse pad is not as big as the MacBook, but that's alright. You know, I ain't really tripping on that. So thank you all for watching. You know, I just wanted to give you all an update of what's going on. You know, I got this Windows computer up and running now. I needed a decent Windows computer. The one I have now, the battery was just terrible. Also have a Linux machine that I use, the Kali Linux labs and all that, so I use that a lot. And yeah, we're also going to start going into Microsoft Azure deeper. I thought about AWS, but you know, I just like Azure just a little bit more. You know, AWS is very popular, but I believe Azure has its pros too as well. You can see I got the cert up there, the AZ900. So I'm going to be working on the AZ104 after my Security Plus. I want to do certs and then cloud certs back to back. I really do find interest in the cloud. So, but yeah, that's what we got going on. So, you know, just want to update you guys on everything, and I hope you all have a good one. See ya.